Hey, welcome back to my channel, Byte Tech. How to change the hostname in MX Linux 25.2. Before we begin, let's understand what a hostname is. A hostname is the name assigned to your computer by the operating system. It helps identify your device. Changing the hostname makes your computer easier to recognize, especially if you have multiple devices or use remote connections such as SSH. Although this tutorial is demonstrated on MX Linux 25.2, the same commands can be used on most Debian-based Linux distributions. Before we start, all commands used in this video will be available in the description below, so you can easily copy and use them. When we open the terminal, we can already see the current hostname displayed in the command prompt. This is the name assigned to this computer on the network. Next, we open the hostname file using sudo nano. Enter your user password when prompted. This file contains the hostname configuration for our system and stores the current name assigned to this computer. Inside the file, we can see the existing hostname value and change it if we need to use a different name. After making the required modification, we save the file and exit the editor to continue with applying the new configuration. Next, we replace the old hostname value from 1 to tech. Then, we save the changes by pressing Ctrl X to exit the editor. After that, we press Y to confirm and save the changes to the file. After saving the new hostname, we need to restart the system for the changes to take effect. We select the restart option with the mouse on the screen and wait for the computer to reboot. After the system starts again, the new hostname will be applied. Restart the system to apply the changes. The new hostname, tech, is now displayed in the command prompt. The hostname change has been completed successfully. If you liked my video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to receive notifications about new videos, subscribe to my channel. If you have a suggestion for a topic that interests you, write it in the comments below this video.